Hi everyone, welcome to the quick tutorial on the new feature of PO vendor prepayment linking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a PO. What this feature lets you do is link a prepayment amount to a purchase order. So I'm going to record a prepayment. And notice here that it fetches the 186, which is the PO amount. And it's actually linked similar to how customer deposits get linked to sales orders. You can now link these amounts to purchase orders. So I could actually link even, let's say, I could delete this. Maybe I wanted to link something else. Let's see, maybe out of that 186, I only wanted to link 100. So I'm going to record a deposit of 186, but I'm going to link actually 100 of it to this purchase order. So now if I hit save, click OK, and you can see now the prepayment linked amount is 100 to this purchase order. So now what I can actually do is go to this purchase order center. I can actually add the prepaid amount as a column. And you'll actually see that for this purchase order, there's a linked amount of 100. And if I right click on show prepayments, it's actually going to pull up all the prepayments that make up that linked amount.